Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. Don't look at the hairstyle, I know, right? But yes, so I decided to do a video of me doing Bantu knots in my hair, or shiny bump as we call it. For this, I had just washed my hair, so it's wet. As you can see, it's very wet. So just to show you some of the things that I use, as I told you guys, I tend to be, I don't want to say minimalist, but I'm more like a natural person, so I don't use a lot of products in my hair. So I just make sure I have some water to keep it damp. I think that's very important. Also my little mixture, my shea butter, along with other things which everyone has been asking me about, but I'll tell you one day for sure. Alright, there's a video coming up on how I do, and honestly it's nothing big, it's just like 3 products that I mix together, but it makes the shea butter a little bit softer, of course, because you know when you get the raw shea butter it's really tough, but here you could see it's really soft. Right, and then I just use my Pure Lean. Now I usually use this black one here, it's Black Hair Grower. I honestly love this product. I started using it maybe last year, and this is what I've been using for hair oil, and I've been using it consistently. So of course I'm not going to sit here and do all of my hair, but just for starters, I guess, to give you guys an idea of how I get it done, and then I'll finish it up, and tomorrow when I'm going to the event I'll pull it out and show you guys. So usually I start from the back to the front, but just for the purpose of the video I'll do a few. Also I'm going to do them in a bigger size because I just want them to be for tomorrow, as I said. So I won't be doing them fine or small or anything like that. So let's see. Let me just pull up. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my hair is still wet. Yeah, so for all who never see my hair when it just washed, there you go. That's it. Alright, so as I said, going to do them big. So let me see, where's the best place. I won't even have good partings, so again, don't really watch that. It's just to get the effect. And guys, don't mind the 2 colors of the wall behind me. So I took up this project of painting my wall. So I did one part and I left the other, which I'll do in time, I guess. But yes, so this is going to be maybe about 2. Yeah, this actually looks small, but yeah, so this will be 2. Usually I use I think I can't pronounce the name, is it the Diamond brush? But I don't have one right now because mine got, you know, a little bit, my hair is a little bit stronger than the brush, so it got damaged, so I ordered a new one, but it's not here yet. So when I get that I will. Alright, so this is how my hair looks. This looks awful, right? Dry. Well, yeah. This is it. So I just use a regular brush, a simple soft brush. Yeah, so this will be 2, as I said. Alright, so my daughter is over there repeating everything I say. So then it's still damp, so I don't need to add any of the spray bottle water, so I just add some of the shea butter to it. Literally that is all I do. Right, I add it. As I said, the Diamond brush would have been perfect to get those curls in, but I have no idea where that is right now. In the piece I have left, at least, no clue. So then I oil it, so it gives you that moisture, I guess, and if you can see, so that you get the full, I guess, moisture from it. And then you twist. But how I normally twist it is I try and keep them even, because in case I want to actually pull them out further than the twist. So like if I pull out the twist and I pull it out again. Alright guys, so this is literally the piece of what's left of my Diamond brush, but I just wanted to show you and define your curls a little bit better. So this is 1, out. Usually I would clip the ends also, since I just washed my hair, because I have some serious damage going on, because I usually press my hair a lot. But yes, that's for another day, another time. And then I just wrap and wrap. So that's one. Good? Alright, so I do the same thing. Alright guys, so that is how I do my Bantu knots. So tomorrow morning I will pull them out. It's now almost 7 p.m. so we can time it. Where I have to go, the thing starts 11, so I think I'll take them out at about 9:30 thereabout. So I will show you guys in the morning, and remember to comment and let me know if you like it, if you don't, if anyone knows like the right use for the diamond brush, if it actually just makes your hair curlier or it makes it more defined or whatever it does, but it does a good job in terms of getting those curls when it is that I am doing it. So I hope you guys liked it, and I look forward to doing hair videos. Of course, this was my first, so nothing is right in terms of aesthetics and all that jazz, but hopefully it works. All right, bye guys. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. See you. Hey guys, good morning. So getting ready now to head out. So I had tied my head with a satin wrap because I guess it kind of holds the moisture for the tiny bumps. Mind you, they might be all over the place, so I might have to style it, but I'm actually running late, so I'm going to try my best to just show you guys as I pull them out. Right, so that's the effect. It gives you that stretchy look. So I just pull them out. For some people, they tend to pull them out further, which I think I'm going to do just to give it some more volume. Alright, so these are the bumps. You could see I just hold them and pull them out to get the curls. So of course some people like to just like wear it like this and style it and whichever, but I prefer to open it one further, since it's just for today really why I did it. If I wanted to keep it for like a week, I wouldn't open them, but I think opening them also adds to the volume. So how I had twist them, I twist them even, so that way when I open them, they open easily. You see? So it doesn't like itch or double or triple or whatever. So it opens easily, and there you have it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, so hold on. So like personally, I really used to love doing this hairstyle when I was going to school. But yeah, so this is how it will look once it's finished, and if you want you can pull it out even further to get more volume or whichever, but I just wanted it for like a style. But let me just show you how it is, I guess, up close. So it still has that sheen and that moisture, I guess, from the the products that we use to set it. So as you can see, this one needs to pull out, right? But some people, as I said, go to pull it out even further, but I like them at this size because by the time I go out they will fluff up some more, so that works for me. But as I said, I think I really wanted to style it, so I have a little headband here. I love these headbands, these, you know, you can twist them, and yeah, I love these headbands. So I'm not sure yet what to do with it. You could catch it up if you want to. Let's see, I could do like a mohawk, or should I let it stay? I could let it stay, but to be honest, the place is too hot for that. I am not in the heat mode. Nothing to it. So it's if you want your hair to look, of course, shorter than it actually is. This is the actual length of my hair, but it gives it that pop, which I like, because sometimes you want to switch it up. You don't always want your hair to look like whatever length it is. So I love this style. As I said, with this you can style it different ways. You can have it for weeks. You could catch it up in one if you want. You could do like a nice mohawk. I don't have the time now, which is why I don't do a mohawk, but I love this in a mohawk because you get the curls at the end. There are many different things you can do with it. When it starts to get stale, you just catch it up in one, do 2 cane rolls, like whatever it is. But this is my go-to hairstyle, especially when I just wash my hair. It's the quickest and the easiest thing to do if I have somewhere to go. I think it's even a little bit quicker than maybe a plait out, depending on the style of it for. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, all of the above. Alright, and you can check out my other videos related to work from home, or my other videos related to cooking, or whichever it is. Remember, this is a lifestyle blog, so you'll have a lot of different videos, a lot of different things. So yeah, this is the end result. Hope you guys like it.